Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a $120 Aldi grocery haul for you. This is meals and snacks for an entire week for a family of 4. We are a family of 5. My daughter is only 4 months old and is breastfeeding, so this doesn't count for her, even though breastfeeding hunger is like nobody's business and I might as well just eat for 2 people still. Anyway, that being said, I totally recommend Aldi. If you have one, and I say Aldi, most people say Aldi, but I can't change myself, so Aldi. If you have one in your area, totally go check it out. A lot of people think it sounds confusing, they don't know what to do, but it's fine. They take credit card, debit card. The only thing is you have to put a quarter in for your cart, and you get it back when you return your cart. They do sell bags, or you can bring your own bags, and really that's it. There's nothing more to it. There's no tricks or anything. Just great stuff. I hope that this haul gives you some ideas. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to go back and compare it to my haul. I think it was 2 weeks ago from it was Peapod, and I wound up spending $200 that time, and I'm only spending $120 this time, and I feel like I got way more stuff. So it does save a ton of money if you have one of these and can shop at Aldi. Another thing is if you stay tuned till the end of this video, I do go ahead and make a Crockpot taco soup that is delicious. You will love it. But the taco soup was amazing, and then the following day we made nachos with it. We just took all the chicken and veggies out of it and put it on top of nachos, and that was delicious as well. Just another idea for you. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And also I hope you had an amazing holiday. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the dairy products that I got from Aldi. We get 2% milk there, regular half and half, as well as this coconut flavored creamer. It is delicious, and especially in iced coffee. We also got some mozzarella and just some organic brown eggs. Next is just some miscellaneous items that I grabbed that were needed, such as sandwich bags as well as some wax paper. Moving on to bread, my boys eat regular bread. My husband and I are gluten-free and have been for about 9 years, and I love Aldi's gluten-free items. They're really good and very inexpensive, especially compared to normal priced gluten-free items. Now for some snacks, my kids love Aldi's pouches. They're organic, and even though they're older, they still like to have these, and it just gets some fruits in them. They also have veggie ones, but mine are just into the fruits right now. We also love getting raisins from here. My husband and I use them in our cereal, and the boys like them just as a little snack. These fruit and grain bars are always a hit with the kids, as well as these white cheddar puffs. And these freeze-dried Asian pears, as well as the strawberries and apples, go really fast because the boys love having these as a snack as well. And then these green pea crisps are mine. I love these. They're one of my favorite snacks. Next is the produce, and this is where I also see a huge money saver. We got 2 bags of garden salad, some cuties, which they sell these in regular stores, usually priced for even more. Pink lady apples, we all love these. Some fresh strawberries, bananas, and these grape tomatoes, 3 avocados, and some broccoli. You know the boys love broccoli. And apples. So I try to get organic when I can, and when I can't, I make sure I wash my fruit in the Thieves cleaner. Now for meat and seafood, sorry if you're vegan, but this is what we got. We got some salmon fillets, some boneless skinless chicken thighs, as well as boneless skinless chicken breasts. These are really great in Crockpot recipes. Now we're moving on to canned goods, as well as we got some chicken broth. I always get my chicken broth from here. It's gluten-free and it's inexpensive. We got some canned corn. These are the Aldi brand of chili beans, and I absolutely love these in my chili. I won't make chili unless I have these beans on hand. Pinto beans, black beans, and then just some diced tomatoes. And here is my super easy taco soup recipe. All you're going to need is 3 chicken breasts, 1 cup of mild salsa, 2 cups of chicken broth, and I'll have my Pinterest linked below, but it's the Beastons, I believe, or Beauty and the Beastons is my Pinterest, and I'm constantly saving Crockpot recipes there. This was a Crockpot Pinterest recipe that I found and is always a hit, so make sure you follow me on Pinterest. We're going to be doing 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of corn, and make sure you drain it first. 1 can of black beans, also drained that and rinsed it quickly. And then I had this giant jar of pinto beans, so I just put a little bit of the pinto beans into a 1 regular size can, so 1 can of pinto beans. And then we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. The recipe calls for 3 tablespoons, but it's just too spicy and salty for me that way. So after you have all of that in, you're just going to go ahead and mix it up a little bit. And I went ahead and cooked that for 5 hours on low. Every crock pot is seriously so different. So if you know your crock pot, change the time to work for you. You can also do it on a high for a shorter period of time. So I hope that you all enjoyed that quick little haul, as well as that little taco soup recipe. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what videos you want to see in 2019. I have a lot planned, and also stay tuned for an entire Crockpot video. I recorded a bunch of recipes over about like 3 weeks when I used my Crockpot, and I plan on uploading that probably next week. So let me know if you want more videos like this, and thank you for watching.
Whenever your heart is broken